Hello and good evening. Today's daily video task topic is about is a technical topic called cardiovascular system. In this video, I will be talking about uh, I will explain the cardiovascular system and with its organs and how this system works. Now, what is cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system is also known as the circulatory system, as it is the complex network that is responsible for transporting blood, nutrients, and oxygen throughout the body. The circulatory system or the circulatory system consists of three main parts, uh, three main components like heart, heart, blood vessels, and blood. First one, heart. It is the main organ in the circulatory or cardiovascular system. It is the muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It helps to pump blood into the whole body with the help of right atrium, right ventricle, and left atrium and left ventricle. These are the four chambers which are present in the heart, and the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the rest of the body through vena cava, that is veins, and the deoxygenated blood and the right ventricle pumps the deoxygenated blood to the heart, to the lungs via through the pulmonary artery. Now the atrium receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs via pulmonary veins, and the left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood uh, to the rest of the body through the aorta, or also called or arteries. The second component is blood vessels. Now, the blood vessels are the network of tubes that helps to carry the blood throughout the body, and there are three main types of blood vessels, that is arteries, veins, and blood capillaries. Now arteries carries the oxygenated blood away from the heart, and except the pulmonary arteries, which carries the oxygenated blood from the heart towards the lungs. Now veins carries the deoxygenated blood towards the heart, except the pulmonary vein, which carries the oxygenated blood from the lungs towards the heart. Now, capillaries are thin-walled vessels involved in exchange of gases, nutrients, and also waste product. The exchange occurs between blood, and body tissues. Now, the third component uh, are is blood. The blood is a fluid. Blood is the fluid connective tissue that circulates throughout the body by the help of cardiovascular system, and the blood contains blood components such as RBCs, red blood cell, WBCs, platelets, and plasma. RBC is also called as erythrocytes, which transport the oxygen from the lungs to the other part of the bodies, like tissue, cells, and etc., and also carries carbon dioxide from the tissues back to the lungs. Now, blood also contains WBCs. WBC also called as leukocytes, which are the part of immune system in our body that helps to fight against the infection. Now, the blood also the other another component in blood are platelets. Platelets, also called as thrombocytes, uh, involved in the clotting factor. It helps in clotting and prevent the blood loss or prevents the bleeding. Now, the component of the blood is a liquid component that carries uh, blood cells, nutrients, and hormones, and also carries waste products. Now, functions of cardiovascular system or functions of circulatory system is one, transportation. Now, transportation uh, involve transportation of blood, oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to the cells and tissues, and also removal of waste products like carbon dioxide and urea. Second function is regulation. It helps in regulation of body temperature, regulation of pH, and also regulate fluid balance in the body. Protection, WBC and other component of blood which are part of immune system helps in protection of our body from infection and foreign particles. The WBC, where the WBC fights against the infection and foreign particles, while platelets helps in clotting and prevent the blood loss. So the cardiovascular system or the circulatory system works continuously or functions continuously to ensure that every cell or tissues in the body gets receives the oxygen, nutrients, and as it needs, and also remove the waste product from the body.